Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into something literally game-changing, India's untapped blue economy, and a marine miracle that is transforming the future of healthcare, dermatology, and even the clothes we wear. If you've ever wondered how the natural world holds the key to incredible scientific breakthroughs, you are definitely in the right place. So, I want you to think about this for a second. Can a weed from the ocean actually cure body acne? It sounds like total sci-fi, right? Well, today we're going to explore exactly how a simple ocean plant is revolutionizing medical-grade skincare completely from the inside out. Section 1. India's untapped blue economy, a neglected resource with massive potential. When we look at India's coastal waters, there is this massive, completely overlooked opportunity. And it really all comes down to this number, 45. That's the number of days it takes for these seaweeds to grow to full maturity out in the open sea. Just a month and a half, and boom, you've got a fully harvestable crop packed with incredible pharmaceutical potential. It's an incredibly fast, sustainable cycle.
Section 2. Meet Alginic Acid, the wonder extract from the sea.
Okay, so after that super quick 45-day harvest, the real magic happens in the lab. This is where scientists isolate the absolute hero of our story, alginic acid. Basically, it's a natural polysaccharide. Think of it as a really complex carbohydrate, and it's primarily harvested from brown seaweed. Now, what makes this stuff a high-value marine biopolymer is its crazy high biocompatibility. It's totally non-toxic, perfectly safe for the human body, and honestly, its ability to retain moisture is practically unmatched. Section 3. The ultimate healing hydrogel. Microscopic superpowers. To really grasp why this is such a scientific breakthrough, you just need to look at one staggering metric, 300. This natural extract can absorb up to 300 times its own dry weight in water. I mean, just picture a tiny microscopic sponge with that kind of massive capacity. That is exactly where this marine biopolymer gets its healing superpowers from. And because it can hold so much moisture, alginic acid acts as an incredibly powerful humectant and barrier repair agent. It literally creates this breathable, protective film right over your epidermis. So it locks all that vital hydration in, stopping what dermatologists call transepidermal water loss, while at the exact same time acting like a physical shield to keep environmental pollutants out. When you zoom in on the medical side of things, the versatility here is just wild. Right now, this hydrogel matrix is being used for medicated skin patches, advanced wound dressings, and even controlled-release drug delivery systems. It can deliver active drugs at a steady, consistent rate, and because it's so perfectly compatible with our biology, it does the whole job without causing any skin irritation. Now here's the science behind how it actually pulls this off. The second alginic acid comes into contact with fluid, like, say, the moisture from a wound, it kicks off an ion exchange process. It instantly transforms into a soft gel that just gets straight to work. It absorbs fluid, safely speeds up tissue regeneration, and get this, it even actively promotes blood clotting. It's a phenomenally active healing agent. Section 4. From lab to wardrobe, the medicated fiber vest. So we've talked about skin patches, right? But here is where things take a massive leap into the future, turning these ocean extracts into a medical treatment you can actually wear as clothing. The whole transformational pipeline looks a bit like this. Step 1, you've got that raw open sea harvest taking just 45 days. Step 2, we extract the alginic acid in the lab. And then step 3, that seaweed-based salt is converted directly into a highly advanced medicated fiber vest. I want you to think about what a total game changer this is for patients. Instead of having to rely on traditional transdermal creams, you just put on a seaweed-based medicated vest. Worn directly on the body, these fibers are proven to treat stubborn conditions like body acne and dull spots simply by keeping that breathable, healing film pressed right up against your skin. And honestly, what's even more impressive, this exact same vest technology can act as a totally revolutionary base for delivering transdermal drugs for other therapies too. Section 5. Fueling the future. Beyond healthcare to the broader blue economy. All right, let's zoom back out for a second and look at the bigger picture here. Beyond healthcare, alginic acid's unique structural properties make it an absolute powerhouse across entirely different industries. It acts as an indispensable natural gelling, thickening, and stabilizing agent. That means it's actively used in everything from food processing to our everyday cosmetics and even in textile printing. Its utility goes way, way beyond the pharmacy. And all of those amazing properties really drive home one massive point. Harnessing this fast-growing marine weed is absolutely pivotal. It's driving the future of marine biotechnology and holds the actual key to establishing India's growing, highly profitable blue economy. The sheer potential for economic and scientific growth here is, well, it's immense. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this thought. If a simple ocean weed grown in just 45 days can be extracted and transformed into a highly advanced wearable cure, what other medical miracles are hiding out there in our oceans, just waiting to be discovered, extracted, and maybe even worn? The blue economy is literally just getting started, and the future looks incredibly bright. Thanks so much for joining me, and keep exploring.